hunters! A wild new horizon is upon us! Granmeowster has gone into retirement. The Meowskiller chef has gone to get his brand new gains regime. So you're left to cook for yourself. But before you confront our foe, let's make Granmeowster's pot roast. So to start off, let's cut up our vegetables. Cut up your carrots into big chunks. Quarter your potatoes. Dice those onions. And mince that garlic. Monster Hunter has always had some very delicious looking food between steaks, dango, pot roast, and even potato gratin. Their only cookbook is available in Japan. Then you're gonna rub that meat with a combination of salt, pepper, rosemary, garlic, and onion powder. Make sure it gets into all of those nooks and crannies and filled with Granmeow's love. Into a big Dutch oven or an Instant Pot and saute your beef for 3 minutes on each side till all nicely brown. You really want to seal in the Granmeow flavor. Once your meat is seared, remove the meat, add in your onions along with a little bit of beef broth. Saute slightly and deglaze that pan. Back in and add in your potatoes and carrots and arrange them all nicely before adding in 1.5 cups of red wine and 2 cups of beef broth. You're never gonna get that gem. You're never gonna get that plate. It's all a myth. The desire sensor is real. Pressure cook on high for 1 hour. Cut up those baguettes and spread some compound butter made of garlic, oregano, garlic powder, and toast. Open up that pot and serve with your bread to get that delicious Felyne insurance buff along with the cut up carrot. Because remember, Granmeow knows best.